Hi, welcome to another DIY vlog. I'm Robin Hartl. I am taking this vlog outdoors while we still have some summer left. This house sits on top of a steep hill that leads down to this lake. We'll be putting in a retaining wall at the top of the hill. Retaining walls are a very useful and attractive method of restraining the soil to an unnatural slope. That is what I have in this situation.
Some portions of this hill are eroding away and need to be stabilized. So I hired a landscaper friend of mine and we drew up a plan. It doesn't need to be fancy, just drawing of how the wall will lay out with some measurements. And my local home center was terrific. I took this to the building materials guy. He just plugged it into the computer and printed off exactly what I needed. Well, I rented a truck and after several trips got everything to the site. In the meantime, the landscape guys were preparing the hill. The most important consideration in proper design and installation of retaining walls is to recognize and counteract the tendency of the retained material to move downslope due to gravity. A retaining wall needs to retain all the material that fills the space between itself and the failure plane, the steepest angle at which existing soil can hold itself together before caving in. Say what? Okay, just remember these three key principles. Install a base of solidly compacted material as your wall stays flat. A level wall provides modular blocks, stone, and timbers with more surface contact with the courses above and below them. They fit together more tightly. The more contact, the more friction, and the stronger the wall. Guys, want some more water? Got some cold water for you?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Second critical element, hydrate your landscapers. You don't want them passing out the heat. They're very important to the success of your wall. Just kidding. Number two, bury the bottom course or courses of the retaining wall 1/10 of the height of the wall to prevent the soil behind from pushing the bottom out. And last, but most importantly, step back the blocks, rocks, or timbers to get gravity working in your favor. This lets the walls lean and push against the fill. Walls built perfectly vertical get gravity working against them the second they start leaning outward even just a bit. Most concrete retaining wall block systems have some kind of built-in lift. As you see right here, there's a built-in lip or pin system that automatically creates the step back as you build. Just like that.
The landscapers have a straight line of string running along the back of the blocks to keep them straight as they set them. They are set one by one, tapped in place with a mallet to seat them, and then checked to make sure they are level. More base is consistently being added along the way to ensure the blocks have a solid base under them and to keep them level. Gravel is easier to level than soil. The base material is made of crushed stone. The crushed stones have varying sized particles and sharp edges, which makes for better compaction. As they continue to lay the blocks, I am on the walkway at the top of the hill, giving you a better view of the hill they are working on below. I've walked around down there, and it's not easy. You have to be very careful because as you walk around, your feet push the dirt down the hill.
Oh, shit.
Did he scare you?
Oh, yeah.
I told you he was friendly.
Oh,
Sid, are you making friends? Are you making friends? He was nowhere to be found, and then all of a sudden he just pops in.
God.
Sid, he just wanted to check it out and see how you guys were doing.
Yeah.
He really scared you.
No.
He said he likes the wall.
Yeah.
He's gonna climb up and down it, walk the wall. He's claiming it's his.
Yeah.
He's like, this is my wall now.
Yeah.
Bye, Sid. I can't tell if Sid likes the wall or if he just likes the landscapers. I think he likes the landscapers.